Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Trump coin on Meteora in 2025. So on this new exciting platforms, of course, Meteora, if you've been looking for a straightforward guide for purchasing this popular token at the moment, which is Trump token, you've come to the right place. So we'll cover everything that you'll need to know from creating an example and account to completing your first Trump transaction. So stick around and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, so just go to the URL section and all you need to do, just type Meteora and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken here. So make sure, as an example, make sure here to go to the URL section or the first link here. As you can see, Meteora, building the best LP tech and LP army in crypto, as an example. So once you do so, as you can see, you'll be taken here. Here, as you can see, if you go before launching the app, you can go here and click on Explore Meteora. Here, you will be able to see a video, as you can see, a whole video of the co-founder, of course, of Meteora. He will explain everything. So introduction, liquidity pool, providing Sol as an example in USDC, and everything about it. As you can see, a lot of things that you might want to know because it's a new platform that's a little bit unusual, but some people are using it. So you can use it if you want. Then, of course, you can click on Launch App. And as you can see, you'll be here in the markets right away. So the first thing that you see right away in front of your face, the first thing, which is making like a hole or which is the trend at the moment, which is Trump coin. So if you go as an example, you will find here some pools like the Trump to Solana pool. There is the Trump to USDC pool. It's up to you to choose whatever you want. As an example, if you click on this, as you can see the fees on recommended pools. If you don't know what's that, I would suggest you again to go and watch this video because this will explain everything about the pools and everything. So as an example here, liquidity pools and DLMs, he will explain how is that working. Here providing things. So just watch this video. It will help you a lot. Of course, you don't have to watch it all if you want. You can just go here, for example, liquidity pools and DLM and watch what you want exactly. Because as you can see, to explain a lot of everything, I'll need like at least 36 minutes, and he knows like the platform very well, not like me. Of course, you can even here increase the speed. Example, you can just go like this to just see what he's doing, etc. And it's basically up to you. So as we said, once you launch the app here, of course, the first thing that you will need to do, or of course, first of all, what is Meteora? Like, if you don't know it, it's just a fast-growing cryptocurrency exchange platform. It's launched very recently in 2025. It's known for its sleek interface, low transaction fees, and supports for trending tokens like Trump token right now. So about the Trump token, this token has been making like some waves in the crypto space. Love it or hate it, the Trump coin is one of the most traded and talked about cryptocurrency this week, this day, and this month, I guess. So with its growing popularity and the market cap, many people are looking to buy it as an investment, example, or simply as a part of the buzz. So, of course, if you don't have an account yet, you would like to, or if you don't have a wallet yet, you'd like to go and have a wallet and simply connect it to your Meteora here. So you can simply fund your Meteora account. So you'll be able to buy this Trump coin. So you can connect either Brave wallets, like Soulflare, Phantom, Backpack. You can see here, even here, more wallets like Ethereum wallets, Google via like TipLink, BitGet wallets, for example, a lot of wallets here. So Coinbase wallets. I've already made a video how to create a Coinbase account. If you want to use the wallets of them, of course, you'll be able to. And if you can't find your wallet, you can simply click here. An example, wallets supported on Jupiter, sorry. And why is my wallet is not supported? You can read here why it's not. As an example, if it will be supported maybe in the future and etc. So if you don't have a wallet, you can click here. As you can see, you can get started and start creating your wallet right away. So once you do so, as you can see, this DLMs that we talked about earlier, or that's where in the video. to understand about it. Here you can find even dynamic pools, pools with farms, LSC pools, multi-token pools, and etc. So it's up to you. Now you will have to choose the token name, symbol, or mint. For example, we are looking for Trump. So Trump. And here you'll find the pools that you want. So if you have an example Solana, you want to switch it to Trump, USDT to Trump, Bonk to Trump, USDT to Trump, whatever you want. You can just click on whatever you want. For example, maybe you will like this one. This is Trump to Solana. So as example here, for me, I don't have any connected wallets at the moment, but if I have a connected wallet from here, I'll be able to buy the Trump coin right away. Very easy and very fast. And as we said, it has very low fees. So the maximum fees is 10%. The base fees is 0.1. And you can understand here as example more. So this is the minimum trading fees earned when a user swaps within the position. This is the maximum fees, which is trading fees earned when the user swaps within a position. As example, same thing. You can see the protocol fee as example as well. The 24-hour fee as example, and everything that you want to know. Of course, you can add your position here, and you can just swap it however you want. So just choose how many like Trump coins you want, for example, so 100, and they'll show you the amount of Solana that you will need to have. So example, for you or for me, you will see insufficient balance of Trump. Click on token. Of course, I'll just do the opposite. So as example, so insufficient balance of Solana. So I don't have enough Solana, as example, in my wallets because I'm not connecting any wallets at the moment. As example, maybe I want, I don't know, just this amount. So you'll have to choose the amount that you have in your wallet, example. And once you're done, you can just click on swap. This, if you want to swap, you can add your position, as example, add a new position. And here you can see your positions as well. And that's how you basically buy the Trump coin in Meteor. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.